Here's our second example for today on Wednesday. We are going to figure out the circumference of a quadrant, except this time, like we did just earlier, we're going to use the 22/7 method. So let's go ahead and begin. However, what do I need to find? My diameter. So here's my radius. What's my diameter, everyone? Woo! It is 18 millimeters. You guys are some of them smart kids, huh? Very cool. So 18 millimeters. That makes it easy. I can go ahead and start my method. 22/7 method. So let's go ahead and let's review that method real quick, because it's a little different than what we just did. We are going to do 22/7 multiplied by 18. Now, don't forget, this time, do we multiply by 1/2 or 1/4? Remember, we're working with a quadrant. So you tell me, 1/2, 1/4 we're going to multiply by. It is 1/4. Whoop, drop my shoe. Marker on my shoe, sorry. So it is 1/4. Oh man, I made a mark, guys. It's all good. Then don't forget, you're going to add your length. So let's go ahead and let's begin. I have 22/7 times 18. And you can make this a fraction if you want. Put it over 1. There's no cross simplifying here. So I am going to have to multiply. 22 times 18. 8 times 2 is 6. 16, put the 1 on top. 8 times 2 is 16 again, plus 1 is 17. So then, my placeholder, 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. Add them up, 6, 9, 3. So far I have 396 as my numerator. Then I need to multiply the denominator. 7 times 1 is 7. So now I have 396 divided by 7. 7 does not go into 3, but it does go into 39. And it goes into 39. How many times, guys? You tell me. That's right. It does go into it 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, I get 4, 6. Now, the 7 go into 46. It does, but not evenly. It goes into it 6 times, and 6 times 7 is 42. I have a remainder of 4. Now, I have to add a 0, so I need to put a decimal. Bring down my 0, I get 40. 7 goes into 40, again, 5 times. So, 35. Ooh, that's a weird 3. There we go. And I get 5. Bring down another 0. And I get 50. 7 goes into 50 7 times. 7 times 7 is 49. But we're going to stop there because we are in the hundredths place. So now I have 56 and 57 hundredths. But that is the circumference of a full circle. I need to find just this 4th arc of it. So I'm going to multiply by 1/4, and that's the same as dividing by 4. 4 goes into 56. How many times, guys? Well, let's just do 5. 4 goes into 5 one time. That's easy. Subtract, I get 1. Oh, 16. Perfect. So it did go into 56, but this is a simpler way to do it. 4 goes into 16. 4 times. Don't forget to put that decimal point up already. I get 0. Bring down my 5. 4 goes into 5 one time. Subtract, and now I have 17. 4 goes into 17 4 times with the remainder of 1. Now I'm in the hundredths place, so you can stop there. So now I have 14 and 14 hundredths, and I need to add my length. Except, don't forget, guys, my length is in 2 areas right now. It is this length, and together they equal 18 millimeters. So I'm going to add that, 18 millimeters, and I'm going to make it a decimal, just put decimal 00, and I get 4, 1. 4 plus 8 is 2, 1, 1, 1 is 3. So when you are using the 22/7 method for a quadrant, in this particular quadrant, your answer would be approximately 32 and 14 hundredths millimeters. And that's it. Good job, guys.